to the channel. So I'm still in Ipoh today and I will be working on some maintenance on some cars. I don't know specifically how many cars that I'm doing today because the owner actually asked me to decide which are the cars that requires maintenance. So when I arrive, I will know how many cars that I will be doing today. But other than that, it should be relatively straightforward. So I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video. And as usual, remember to like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications. And if you got any question, comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I have completed the maintenance detail on 3 cars today, and it's pretty simple job for today because the 3 cars that I did are cars that are rarely driven, and most of the damage or contamination that is on the paint is just watermark. There was barely any tar spots as well. So I did the most simple decontamination on the paint, as you can see in the video, and then I finished it off with a layer of wax because all 3 cars are coated, but only one is done by me, so I don't know about the other cars coating. I only know about the Jag because the Jag was done by me, and the condition of the coating is still pretty damn good. Also simply because it's been parked most of the time. So I guess that's it for the video. So make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, comment in the comment section below if you got any question about maintenance, and I'll see you guys at the next video.